So last night, watching a YouTube video of Ed Mylett, who's interviewing Billie Jean, and video wraps up. All of a sudden, Gary Vaynerchuk rolls into my news feed, or rolls into the next video, and he said, so I'm cooking dinner or whatever. I'm just pouring myself some coffee. I'm cooking dinner, and he said something that made me stop what I was doing.
You don't have a very serious LinkedIn content strategy, you're leaving a huge opportunity. You're a young dude and you're gonna gravitate towards IG video easy, but LinkedIn is fucking gold right now for everybody. LinkedIn organic reach is more similar to Facebook organic reach was doing 5 or 6 years ago. It is just an opportunity. And I don't care if you're selling weird t-shirts, figure out how to make it business oriented in LinkedIn. Everybody here should really think about how to make their content work to professionals.
Listen, guys, this is what I have been preaching, coaching, teaching, ranting, and raving about for the last couple years. So massively undervalued. No matter your industry, what you sell, your product or service, there is a way to leverage the reach, the engagement, the consistency that you're able to accomplish through LinkedIn. So if you're looking to make a big push onto any platform in 2019, strongly recommend taking a look at how this would work for you. If you have the right components in place, not only the reach ability, but also the ability for higher dollar sales, because you're able to reach more corporate level people. Whether more corporate level people, typically people using LinkedIn have a higher net worth. Not only that, but also committees. So more scalability when you're selling, not just direct to consumers when you're using Instagram. Interested in your thoughts below? Drop them by. Make sure you share this with your people. I'll see you on the other side.